Want to quickly get to your favorite TV programs without having to surf channels? With Sense TV, turn your phone into a program guide and remote control. Let's set up your electronic program guide first. Open the TV app and select the country where you live. Select your TV cable provider, and then select the channels that are included in your cable package. Choose your favorite shows. If these shows are on, they will be shown on the recommended screen so you don't miss them. If not, similar programs will be listed. That's it. You'll see the available shows and their schedules. At the bottom, you'll also see videos posted or shared by your friends. If you don't see the shows you want, tap Recommended to check all the available shows. You can check details about a show by tapping the dots under the show's thumbnail. If you're interested in watching an upcoming episode, you can set a calendar alert for it. Now let's set up your phone to be a remote control. Enter a name and choose the devices you want to control. You can control your TV, cable box, and home theater with the remote control. Choose your TV brand and then follow the instructions. Point your phone towards the TV, and with a few taps, your phone will be set up.
Hey Nicole, are we still on for brunch today at Mary's Kitchen?
There you go.
Okay, see you there.
You should be able to channel surf by just using your phone. Neat, huh? You can then do other stuff on your phone if you want. To open the remote control, just slide down the notifications panel. With Sense TV, your phone becomes an interactive TV guide and all-in-one remote control.